Hi guys, welcome to Tech Geek. So today in this lecture we'll see how to use count and countif in Google Sheets. So as we saw in the last video about sum if and sum ifs, so it is somewhere similar to count. In sum we were actually summing up the values. In count we'll count the number of such values that exist. So we'll be seeing count and countif. Okay. Now coming to count, countif and countifs. Okay, still we have three. So count, countif and countifs. Now, as you know, the count function will give the number, remember, and sum will return the sum of the values. Now let's see, in the same data set which we were using for sum, we'll find out the count of values. Okay, now first of all, let's see what is the number of entries. So we'll use this count function. So we'll directly write count. Okay. Now let's say we are checking in E column what are the number of entries there. So as I told you, there were 700 entries. Okay. So this is giving the actual count. Now coming to countif. Okay. Now see this countif. In countif, we'll just check according to one condition. Okay. Let's say we want to check the number of items whose sale price is greater than 20. Okay, we can do this. So it's greater than 20. We need to check this. So we have 300 entries. Now let's change this a bit and let's say the value is greater than 200. We have 200 values. Let's further increase it. Let's write it's greater than 300. You have 100 entries, or let's say it's 500. Now no value is there that is having the sale price greater than 500. So this gives the count according to a condition. Okay. Now coming to sum ifs. Now countifs. The same way we had count ifs. Now you can see the criteria range. We need to specify. Okay, we need to specify the conditions. Now let's say the condition is again the same. The segment is government. Okay, country is let's say this time Canada. Product is Carretera. Okay, we have three conditions. We'll check how many entries specify all three conditions. Okay, so we'll check with this where A column contains the entry as, let's do it mid-market. Let's change it a bit. Okay, now secondly we are saying the product should be Carretera. Okay, now let's make the product as Carretera. Third is the country. Okay, we were working on country too, so country is France. Okay, now you can see there are only two products that are from France that belong to mid-market, and the product is Carretera. Now let's change one of the values and check. Let's make this as government. Okay, so the values turn out to be 6. So countif will return the number of values that satisfy the conditions. Now these conditions are in AND form. AND means all the three should be satisfied, or all, let's say you have n number of conditions, so all should be satisfied. And coming to countif you can give only one condition at a time, that is one column. Let's say we want to check on a different condition. Instead of sale price, we are checking that profit earned. Okay, that's a profit. So profit is Lth column, so we'll check the L column. If it's greater than 500, it's 576. Okay, I hope this countif and countifs is clear. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. Keep following Tech Geek. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.